Aries, this is your channel messages for the 13th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Aries, this is your channel song. Do-do-do, oh. Do-do-do, 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 no. We were that one for a moment in time, and it seemed everlasting that you would always be mine. And I wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly, 'cause I know in my heart, baby, our love will never die. No, you'll always be a part of me. I love you indefinitely. You can't escape it, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And when and I know, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Do-do-do. Oh, Aries, you will always be my baby, okay? You are the baby of the zodiac. In a way, you're the first zodiac sign to come to Earth, so you are the oldest. They always say Pisces is the oldest. Pisces couldn't be the oldest. Pisces came to Earth last. So even though Aries are the baby because them came first, Aries is also the emperor. They're the oldest. They're creators. Aries. They're old because, are you old? I don't know what's happening. Do you need some, do you have osteoporosis? I'm getting something about osteoporosis. Vitamin D, calcium D, vitamin D deficiency. Something about cartilage. No, not cartilage. It could be cartilage. Are you taking caltrate D? I don't know what the fuck just happened. Anyways, I'm getting you will always be my baby. And you are my baby. Started when we were younger, he was mine. Oh, even though we used to argue, it's alright. I know we haven't seen each other in a... Okay, let's go ahead and go into you. Career reading, Aries. Let's go. Do you remember, Aries? Gave you your first kiss. Okay, let's go. What is your career advice? Aries, what is your... Ooh, wait. I should have never do this. Okay, let's go. What's your focus? Your focus is a 6 of Wands. So I'm getting your focus is the comments. Your focus is the crowd, the fans. You're focusing on what the comments are saying, what the people have to say about you. If the people are praising you, are the people taking your side? Are they against you? Are they team you? Are they team somebody else? I'm getting that's your focus. So you're focused on what you can do for the people and what type of gratification the people will give you. What's your advice? Your advice is the Queen of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting people like how you're running things. Maybe you make a lot of big decisions in this workplace. I'm getting everybody like you. You're the favorite. I'm getting for your birthday, all the employees come around, give you things for your birthday. I mean, I'm getting everybody's very fond of you. I'm getting an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius woman. What's your mentorship? Your mentorship is a 4 of Cups. Okay, so I'm getting you don't have a mentor right now. Your mentorship, or what you draw inspiration from, is the bottle. You're drinking a lot. So you need some help when it comes down to maybe controlling your alcohol, because I'm getting you'll say that, oh, I'm taking 1 glass a night, 1 turn into 4. And even though you are, I mean, a glass of wine not gonna kill you. But I'm just saying, I'm getting overindulge in a lot. So maybe as a way to deal with the fame and everything in the darkness, when you don't have people, you know, actually like complimenting you or giving you gratification, getting a drink. Forget that. While you're alone. What's your sign that you're on the right path? Your sign is the 9 of Cups. Okay, so drinking again. So for some reason, drinking is helping you. Maybe you do promotional stuff. Maybe you're a bartender, a bartendress. Thank you very much, right? So I'm getting something about the liquor protect you. Maybe you have your own wine company, you work for a liquor company, maybe you're going to be an ambassador for a liquor company now. Because I'm getting people love you. I'm getting you act like a party. You're such a party person. Maybe you don't even drink. When I'm getting them going to ask you for endorse this liquor brand for them. Or I'm getting something about like something fruity, very nice type of alcohol. Could be wine. I'm getting you on the right path though. So your alcohol problem may not be an alcohol problem. It may just be something you deal with while dealing with fame. Okay? And what's your outcome? Your outcome is a hangman. Just be careful, because I feel like the attention from fans very addictive. And when you don't get it, you drink. And I'm getting wary because your fans might have kids as fans. You see the picture what go around with Kamala Harris, so them a done her because she sit on a play with this kid and a glass of wine behind her. Okay. What was the difference between that and mommy is that alcohol? Is that alcohol, mommy? Isn't that so weird? She made Cardi B go up and talk for her. And then Cardi B wasn't this thing with the alcohol thing. But I think what saved Cardi B is the fact that she did educate culture about what alcohol was. So it never seemed so cringy. It never seemed cringy to me, rather than probably seeing, I don't know. Anyway, there's that alcohol, mom. I'm getting be careful, because you're on the kids them now. We have Scorpio coming out first. We have awards. We have it. Did anybody say Blue Ivy? Jesus Christ, we said Blue Ivy look exactly like her mother. Say Blue Ivy, say Blue Ivy, say Blue Ivy. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't playing games, say Blue Ivy, say Blue Ivy. Blue Ivy looks incredible. So elegant, so put together, so age appropriate. She looks so beautiful. Oh my God, in her pink dress. God. We have the World card. We have cheating, so be careful. One more, and we have I've sold my soul. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.